What's the best way to store rice long-term? I have purchased a rather large bag of long-grain white rice, 25 pounds, and need to know the best way for storing it long-term. This rice will be used as both a food storage food source and as my everyday source of rice for cooking, so the storage solution should, hopefully, be resealable. Rather than once it's open it's open. I eat rice maybe 3 times a month, so it isn't really every day, but it will be my go-to when I have it. If you are only using it 3 times a month, then this 25 pounds bag may last a very long time indeed. The problem is that even white rice can eventually develop off flavors when exposed to light and air. Additionally, even if pests don't have access to the rice, it is not unlikely that the rice has some eggs on it that can hatch and spoil the whole bag. The solutions to these problems all make it difficult to use the rice in the short term. For long-term food storage, dry foods are typically sealed in either number 10 cans or mylar bags. An oxygen-absorbing packet is also included. This will prevent spoilage and pest growth. Mylar bags are less expensive and you can open one bag at a time for short-term use. Alternatively, if you can freeze the rice to ensure there are no pests, then the rice can be stored, sealed, in a cool, dry place as others have described. Given how cheap rice is, it might be acceptable to you to just take your chances and replace it if it spoils after some months. Here in China, I have a special rice box. It's basically a plastic box with a lid. The lid is not completely airtight but is a neat fit. This allows the rice to remain dry without any pests getting inside. You can also get special electronic dispensers that will store the rice and measure out portions for you. The one pictured below stores 25 kilograms of rice. If you can't find these at local suppliers, look on sites such as Taobao.com, Chinese, or Alibaba.com, English. You'll find many suppliers who will export from China to you.